Howdy Team Awesome, we are back. So remember, in an earlier video towards the start of Awesome BITEsize Nutrition, I mentioned that for weight loss, exercise counts for very little in the way of calorie burning. Depending on how much exercise we do and the intensity at which we perform it, generally our daily workout would count towards no more than 10% of our daily energy expenditure. Our basal metabolic rate and our non-exercise activity thermogenesis, the general day-to-day activity, count for much more in the way of burning calories when we are trying to lose weight. And I stated that our planned daily or weekly exercise routines should be used to focus primarily on getting stronger and fitter regardless of how many calories we burn in the process. And this is absolutely true. And that's what we're going to talk about this week. We're going to talk about the importance of exercise for our general health. We're going to talk about the types of exercise that we can do and the benefits that come with them. Plus, we're going to talk about what exercise is best for you personally. So, let's go. We're going to get a little sciencey in this video. So if some of the terminology sounds a little intense, please bear with me. All I want to do is just give you a really good insight into the benefits of exercise beyond just losing weight. Now, we all know that regular exercise is essential to our physical health. Exercise strengthens our bones, muscles, heart, and lungs. When we exercise, our muscles adapt quickly, becoming stronger and sometimes bigger with the right stimulation, as well as producing more mitochondria, which over time increases our muscular endurance so we can exercise more efficiently and effectively. The better our muscular endurance is, the longer it takes to feel that burning feeling we get in our muscles when we exercise, meaning we can exercise for longer periods of time without getting too fatigued. And the stronger our muscles are, creates better balance and ability to perform certain movements we need throughout the day. In turn, this helps us to recover from or even prevent ourselves from trips and falls. During exercise, we even produce more blood capillaries, which deliver blood to our muscle tissues and our organs, making it more efficient to exchange nutrients and oxygen. The heart muscle also increases in strength with regular exercise and is able to pump more blood with each beat, which equals a lower resting heart rate and blood pressure, and also lowering our risk of cardiovascular and heart diseases. Plus, the mitochondria within the heart will also increase, making the heart more efficient and effective. Brilliant. So guys, a quick note on mitochondria. Mitochondria are tiny organs found within our cells. They are often referred to as our powerhouses. Their main function is to generate something called ATP that our body uses as energy. And it does this by converting the energy released during the breakdown of carbs and fats, which we discussed earlier. We do this during the day or during exercise to perform various bodily functions. Exercise is also perfect for strengthening our bones. When we use our muscles to lift weights, the muscles pull and contract our bones in order to move them. With sufficient stimulus, this in turn stimulates the production of cells in our bones called osteoblasts, which help maintain and strengthen our bone density. Having good bone density is especially important as we age. The more we stimulate our muscles and bones, the stronger we become, protecting ourselves again against falls and injuries, and we are better prepared to fight off age-related diseases such as osteoporosis. Our lungs adapt to regular exercise by increasing their capacity to take in oxygen and deliver it to our muscles during exercise. And as we discussed earlier, carbohydrates can be used as fuel with or without oxygen present, but fat requires oxygen to be used as fuel. So the larger the capacity of our lungs, the larger the capacity our lungs have to take in oxygen, the more oxygen is available to fuel these processes. Not only does regular exercise improve and strengthen our physical body, it also has a profound benefit on our mental health. Exercise makes us feel good, decreases stress, anxiety, depression, and gives us better mental resilience. And as we mentioned earlier, exercise helps us fight off diseases and conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and cholesterol. It reduces the risk of developing cardiovascular disease and osteoporosis as we age. So there is much more to exercise than just burning calories, which is why we shouldn't focus solely on how many calories we burn when we do exercise. Along with fueling our body with good nutrition, regular exercise is one of the most important things we can do for our overall health and longevity, regardless of how many calories we burn in the process. So, Team Awesome, there we have it. A very brief summary of the benefits of regular exercise. In the next video, we will talk about the types of exercise we should all be doing to reap all of these benefits and what type of exercise best suits you personally. So for now, go and digest this bite-sized information, and I'll see you in the next video.